Manipur Governor Ajay Bhalla met ex-Chief Minister Biren today at Raj Bhawan and reportedly held talks regarding several issues, including the formation of a popular government in the state. A reliable source informed that the closed-door meeting was held at around 1 p.m., where the governor and the ex-Chief Minister also discussed in length about the prevailing law and order situation in the state and the boycott against the ongoing Sangai festival by the general public and IDPs. It is also said that approach to make a fervent appeal to the general public to extend cooperation in the Sangai festival was also deliberated during the closed-door meeting. It may be mentioned that IDPs, Kokomi and several other civil bodies have been carrying out protest demonstrations against holding of Sangai festival following their announcement to boycott the ongoing state tourism festival.